The best days for Cardano network are just around the corner. Despite weakness from the bear market, Cardano ADA has been building true and sustainable stories that could inspire a potential comeback. When the recovery happens to ADA, it won't be merely connected to speculations, but its sound fundamentals. The Cardano network is still evolving and enhancing its blockchain. The ADA price rose significantly during the last bull run, but it took a sharp dive back to the lower end due to the current market crash. Cardano ADA to $1 was the speculation that showed up as Cardano neared its long-anticipated Vassal hard fork. The crypto expert, Michael van de Poppe, expected the ADA coin price to reach $1 since the upgrade was a success, but unfortunately, it still looks very vulnerable. Another crypto analyst, Guy, came to the rescue of Cardano by presenting solid explanations of how Cardano will eventually triumph. He explained that Cardano has been lacking institutional investors and noted that when the crypto reclaims its lost glory, big investors will look at the successful upgrades and get captivated. His views seem sentimental, but there are notable developments that support them. In early October, the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, noted that hundreds of projects are coming for Cardano. A Cardano-focused Twitter account, ADA Whale, has gone ahead to make stunning predictions of what might happen on the network once the bear market is over. ADA Whale predicted that Cardano will be the best DeFi trading platform in the next bull run. In addition, the biggest book NFT platform backed by well-known companies in publishing would be Cardano, also a fast-growing mobile network and the biggest DID project. Attesting that Cardano has weathered both the bears and the bulls, ADA Whale remains confident in making such predictions. Cardano has maintained its position in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. This implies achievement in both the bull markets of 2021 and the bear market of 2022. When the founder of crypto capital venture, Dan Garmendello, pointed out that many people appear to be giving up on cryptocurrencies, especially Cardano, it was quite expected. He emphasized that even though the season presents more opportunities, this social sentiment data point needs to be taken into consideration. This was more important because the negative sentiment is a comparable data point to last the bear market lows. Before he made this claim, Garmendello predicted that the bear market might be in its latter stages, and Cardano would thrive in the next bull market. But the question remains, when exactly will be the next bull market? The previous bull run was driven by stimulus packages, along with NFT and metaverse development. The drivers of ones to come may include institutional adoption, non-gated payment methods, and Web3 development. For the last several months, an era of despair has covered the crypto space, and so far nothing has signaled a major departure from this trend. There has been occasional claims that the current bear market hits so differently, and this is quite true. But looking ahead, it's easy to speculate on what will foster the next crypto bull run. One of the most widely discussed catalysts that could give crypto and other risk assets a substantial boost is the termination of the Federal Reserve's monetary tightening policies. Currently, the Fed is raising interest rates to help fight the increasing inflation. The Fed needs to retrace its steps and pivot away from its monetary tightening policy before too long, and when it eventually dies, it should relieve much of the downward pressure keeping risk assets like cryptocurrencies depressed. Most of the time, crypto bull runs are fueled by adoption, and products like Robinhood's new wallet could be the killer app to onboard the next generation of users. Before the current financial crisis, investors had started to recognize Bitcoin as a hard currency due to its fixed supply of 21 million coins, earning it the title of digital gold. In a September CNBC interview, hedge fund managers Stanley Druckenmiller and Paul Tudor Jones expressed similar views. Druckenmiller said that crypto could enjoy a renaissance if trust in central bank fizzles. Jones also stated that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum could go much higher in the future as a result of their limited supply. The crypto market has witnessed a huge decline in 2022, and for seasonal investors, this represents the perfect opportunity to buy digital before the market unveils another bull run. Meanwhile, with the dramatic decline of the Bitcoin price, it is little wonder that many retail investors have lost their desire for digital tokens and its fellow altcoins. The CEO of Crypto Quanti, Ki-Young Ju, has pointed a new indicator to look out for to mark the Bitcoin parabolic bull run. In a tweet, the analyst stated that the bull run might begin when the dollar-pegged stablecoin USD coin flows massively into exchanges. According to the data he presented, 94% of the circulating supply of USDC is outside of exchanges. This supply is largely owned by traditional financial institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Goldman Sachs, of course among others. Ju noted that whenever the clients of these institutions give orders for USDC to be deployed, the off-exchange tokens will get distributed in the market, and this will likely spark the bull rally. In an additional tweet, he highlighted that in contrast to the institutional investors' favorite USDC, crypto-native stablecoins like BUSD and USDT have continued to flow unhindered into exchanges. Binance USD has been increasing in exchanges with 70% of the supply on exchanges despite the bear market. This might be the indication that crypto-native assets are accumulating some coins. The analyst noted that investors have been accumulating and waiting for the market downturn, emphasizing the fact that old Bitcoins now account for 74% of the realized market capitalization. Bitcoin's hash rate is on another chain metric that points to strong investor confidence. These are indications that the bull run is imminent and cryptocurrencies, especially Cardano, are set for a good ride. Moving ahead, Charles Hoskinson, who has an active social media presence through which he sustains engagement with the community, captured the attention of many when he addressed Elon Musk on how to create a decentralized Twitter. Hoskinson's proposal urged the Tesla CEO to consider a decentralized overhaul of the decentralized platform through Cardano. This claim was made in light of increasing concerns regarding censorship. Elon Musk has been trying to create better monetization strategy for the newly acquired social media platforms as well. Video to Elon: how to build decentralized Twitter using Doge and Cardano for profit and pleasure. He tweeted and included the link to the video. Charles Hoskinson's proposal highlighted ideas on how to monetize the platform using prediction markets and economic agencies. He suggested that turning tweets into NFTs. The Cardano chief further recommended using cryptocurrencies to monetize Twitter as well. Well, history has ascertained that Elon Musk tends to welcome ideas that are often considered wild or beyond the expected scope. So Cardano's next bull run might be dependent on his decision and how ADA fits into this puzzle. It would not be shocking to see the Tesla CEO embrace Hoskinson's impressive idea. A partnership between Twitter and Cardano could also prove to be grand. It would provide a base for a more robust utility for ADA as a potential transaction medium. Such adoption would likely enforce a massive demand wave for ADA, but the market still might not respond readily to Hoskinson's proposal considering the ADA price action. Cardano's downside has reflected a slight drop in its development activity. A sharp drop in its velocity was also observed, indicating that the bullish momentum seen at the beginning of the month was losing steam. Other metrics have confirmed that the recent trend was witnessing a slowdown. For instance, Cardano's daily active addresses registered an overall drop in the past few days. The transaction volume also reflected a similar observation, but it spiked between November 6th and November 7th. The spike might be an indication that bullish demand was recovering. So, a positive response from Elon Musk about Hoskinson's proposal would be a strong move for Cardano, thus triggering a bull run for ADA. Till then, Cardano should keep playing with the cards in its hand. Various reports have noted that NFT traders are slowly leaving the Solana blockchain for Cardano. Although Solana still has outstanding figures, the statistics on the Cardano network look more appealing and enough to sway NFT traders. According to the data from CryptoRank, Cardano is the second largest proof-of-stake blockchain in terms of staking market cap in monetary terms. Second only to Ethereum, but by more than double, Cardano has $8.12 billion in ADA tokens staked. The staking ratio is equally impressive, and 71.63% of the circulating ADA offering is staked. Of the top crypto projects, only the BNB chain and the ICP can compete with Cardano. The number of new addresses on the ADA network increased significantly after the FTX collapse, and this gave it an edge over blockchains like Solana. A bull run could make the market reeling from the cascading effects of the projected severe recession and potentially skyrocket the ADA coin price to new highs. But of course, what are your thoughts on this? Let us have in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.